Need an easier way to add events to Google Calendar? ICS Files make it simple. They let you import events from other apps and keep everything organized in one place. Here's how to do it step by step. Visit Google Calendar and sign in. Click the gear icon on the upper right and click on Settings. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you see the Import and Export option. Under the Import section, click Select File from your computer. Locate and select the ICS file. Choose which calendar you want the events to be added to. Note that you can also import CSV files. After selecting your ICS file and the destination calendar, click Import. Google Calendar will start importing the events, including the option to import repeat events if applicable. Once your events are organized in Google Calendar, make your meetings just as efficient with Tactiq. Tactiq transcribes meetings live and then generates AI summaries and custom meeting insights, helping you stay on top of every conversation. Learn more at tactiq.io and subscribe for more Google Calendar tips.